Introducing the Sujata Dynamix mixer grinder. This white mixer grinder is made of plastic material. It measures 49 by 23 by 36 centimeters and weighs 6 kilograms. It operates on a power of 900 watts and requires 230 volts of AC. It has a powerful 900 watts motor with double ball bearings for efficiency, low maintenance and trouble-free running for years. It allows 90 minutes of continuous running. Use the dome jar for wet grinding and the two separate stainless steel jars for dry grinding and chutney grinding. The high-strength stainless steel blades cut finer and faster, and the grinder is totally shock-proof and safe. The box contains one unit motor, one wet grinder jar, one chutney grinder jar and one dry grinder jar. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product details. Introducing the Sujata